Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wish, 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 wish.
Make a wish.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay na.
Happy birthday, wishing you all the best in life.
Wala din. Mayang gabi. Good evening, everyone. Friends, family. Hi lang. It's your 18th birthday. Akong wish sa imo ha is kabalo na ka. Pero gusto ko kabalo na hapon ka. So, success. Okay? So, kabalo naman dyan ka. So, I trust you and believe you. Then, to fulfill your dreams. Naara ko permito sa mga piliran. Naara si Mama Ying and all your uncle and aunties beside me. Whatever will be, fails or success, we love you very much. That's all, and I hope you enjoy in spite of, na. So, hope na ma-enjoy mo for the 18 years, been waiting for this most important day of your life. Hope na di mo ni makalimutan until you become mother someday. Sama ka, o dili ka na siya. So, very good. At least you know the reality, okay? So, once again, may hapon sa tanan. And happy kay ko kay niabot na gyud ang 18th birthday niyo. So, welcome. Wala na ka na. So, wala pray kay. So, again, happy birthday. And I hope na happy ka karon, di ba? Nasa sa iyong side. Then, hope na nara akong gift mo na. Oh, sorry. Ang bilang din.
Gamay naman na, oy.
Open. Oh, di ba? So, hope if you wear that one, you always remember me. Symbol of, kasi symbol niya. Kasi meaning. Very good. Okay. Happy birthday and welcome to the 18th birthday of my daughter, Krista Jane. Thank you everyone for coming.